Friends, I want to show you a small video what I've got at Amazon. It's not much, but I wanted to show you. I ordered the cards, tarot cards and book. So we can do small unboxing. It came in the envelope from Amazon. Let's open them. Oh, it looks like this. It's the Rider Tarot deck. The original and only authorized Rider Tarot deck. So we can open it. To see how they look inside. And I will watch later some Christmas movie. So let's see. Paper is out. So here is the tarot. Wow, nice. And here is small booklet. Meanings of cards. Introduction. The meanings are really small, as you can see, just few sentences. As I will show you here. See, the booklet is with meanings. Here at the end you can also find the things how you can put them. Celtic cross, card spread, interesting. And cards looks like this. They are nice because they are not too big, because when you have bigger cards it's hard to move around with them or shuffle them. That's what I meant. And I don't need super special cards. It's just important that the picture is understandable. High Priestess, the Empress, the Empress, the Emperor, the Hierophant. I even forgot the meaning because I used to know, but in Polish. Magician, Lovers, Chariot, Strength, Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Justice, Hanged Man, Death, Temperance, the Devil, the Tower, the Star, the Moon. Those bigger that I don't know much and I have to learn. Nice, I'm excited actually that I have a new hobby. I will learn. And last one is some ad for another books or something like that. And what's here? Ace of Pentacles, I see. So I'm interested, but first I will also use those as these ones I know, and I will, so they may be able to put cards on some questions. And now I wanted to show you another unboxing related with cards or just book, because I've got the book too in this package. Tarot book, and I also got Nivea cream because I can't live without Nivea cream, and mine is running out soon, so I did have to get new one from Amazon because it's cheaper. Actually, on Amazon I used some subscription. So here is this Nivea cream. I'm buying always this 400 millimeters. Wow, this one is little dented, but at least it's new, so that's good. And here is the book. I got the guided tarot. It was just $10, I think. $10 or 11. So it looks like this, kind of big. I thought it would be smaller. Guided tarot for seamless readings by Stephanie Caponi. Beginner's guide to card meaning spreads and intuitive exercises. Nice. And that's good because actually here are the same cards. Wow. So I'll show you how it looks inside. So the book, let's open it. Looks like this inside. So each card has here meaning. Here you have some meaning, general meaning, then general reading, then you have love, romance, then career, personal, spiritual, and reversed. So each one has such meaning. And also at the beginning, tarot spreads. Here, making decision, law of attraction, your potential relationship. That's interesting. Your existing relationship, past, present, future. Mind, body, spirit. And what else it says here? Then get another box. That's the outer. Here is minor arcana. Upright and reversed meaning. And what does? And here are cards, meanings. Okay, so that's my small unboxing for you guys. Play around with the cards, and here is my table and laptop and tea. I will fool around with them and watch Christmas movie. That's my plan for a little night. 2 hours. Okay, bye. See you later.